Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to pollinate watermelon by hand. So today, this is my ever first watermelon flower from my plant that I planted with cantaloupe and melons. So the problem is I don't have male flowers right now. So I'm just gonna get our barrow from the cantaloupe, and I have one also in the pot planted that has lots of flowers, so I'm just gonna use it. So you can tell this is a female flower because it has a fruit at the bottom and flower on the top. So if you don't have bees right now, you can really just hand pollinate it by yourself. So I'm just gonna get a male flower. You can tell it's a male flower because it doesn't have any fruit at the bottom, so it's just a really pure flower. So I'm just gonna pluck this one from the cantaloupe. You can see it, the flower is really similar to cucumbers. So here it is. This is a male flower. Now I'm going to put it side by side so you can see better. So this from the left, this is a male flower, and to the right, that's the female flower. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just remove the outer petals so that I can transfer the pollen to the female flower quickly or easily. So there you have it. It's just a really very small yellow flower. This is the male flowers, and we're going to dab a little bit there to the female flower. See, sometimes you need more pollen for your flowers in order to have success in forming a fruit. For my tip is that instead of just using one flower, you can use 2 or 3 flowers to make sure that you really have enough pollen, because sometimes the fruit will not form or will not be success if the pollen is not enough. So I gather a couple more, and I'll do the same like what I did a while ago, just to dab some more flowers and transfer more pollen in order for it to be a success. So there you go, guys. That's how to pollinate a watermelon by hand. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Happy gardening and bye.